Hey everyone, I'm Alan, and I want to show you how you can get set up with this thirdweb NFT drop example component. So from the landing page, go ahead and scroll down to this View GitHub repo button, and we're going to look for this blue deploy button because the first thing that we need to do is deploy this example, and we're going to use Vercel for that. If you don't have a Vercel or a GitHub account, go ahead and pause this video and sign up. They're both free and they're both very easy to get registered for. For everyone else, let's go ahead and continue. So the next step here is to just create the example. While that's creating, we need to go ahead and set up a Makeswift site so that way we can get this site API key. So I have a fresh account here that I've already signed up for. And when you get to this view to create a site, we're actually going to just go ahead and click this skip and start building button and scroll down and look for the thirdweb template. So when I click on use this site, it's going to drop me into a site with this blank thirdweb page. It has a little slot here for the thirdweb component once we integrate it in, and we're just going to click on settings, go to the host, and grab the site API key for this particular site. We'll hop back over into Vercel and paste that and click deploy. This is going to take a couple minutes, so we'll go ahead and cut the video now, and I'll join you once it's done. Sweet, so now that's finished. We're just gonna go to the dashboard here, and we just need to grab this URL that it got deployed to. I am just gonna right click that and click copy, and then hop back over to the settings here for my Makeswift site, and I'm just gonna paste in that value. Don't forget the protocol, we need the HTTPS here, and then we're just gonna add a /Makeswift. Don't forget to add the /Makeswift here. This is how the Makeswift builder will load in your site, and just click save. So after we do that, I'm just going to give this a quick refresh. And once this loads in this custom host that we just deployed, I can hop back over to this ... menu and we'll see this NFT drop component. And I can just click that and drop it in. And now we have this fully configurable NFT drop component where you can resize it, I can add space around it, I can move it into other boxes and whatnot. And then we've got a bunch of properties here that you can configure. The properties that are configurable here are actually customizable. So if you want to clone the repo and start messing with code locally, I'd recommend going back to the GitHub repo and playing around with the StackBlitz link. You'll need to go into the settings here and replace this with whatever URL StackBlitz gives. I'll make a second video on that to show the developers that are watching this how to mess around with the APIs, but I hope this was helpful. Please drop any feedback to alan@makeswift.com, and I hope to hear what you think. Thanks.